Hello everyone, welcome to Yamaguchi Japan Speaking YouTube Radio. I'm your host, Dr. Issa. This is episode 63, 063. I have just finished showing my verse in group exhibition. That exhibition include 7 artists. So I think this group exhibition is very successful. One of the reasons is a lot of guests come and to see our artworks, and even though there were long and heavy rain during their almost all their term of their exhibition, so there's some kind of damages were caused by their long heavy rain, and some of the rivers overflowed. I heard. I didn't see a real one, but some roads, they're covered with dumps from their landslides or something. Yeah. Even this emergency condition, many friends came to the exhibition. Fortunately, the area where the gallery existed are not so severely not so severely damaged. Although the water level sometimes became high level, but not overflowed. And I felt. In other words, no, sorry. By the way, I felt how many people come is depend on how friends, their artists showed their works. Have friends, a lot of friends, and a lot of close friends. They have, if they have a lot of close friends, their exhibition is more crowded. A lot of people come, and I think it's very important for group exhibitions. Because not only group exhibitions but also solo exhibitions. If I show my artwork as a solo exhibition, only my friends, and some people may come, some people I don't know may come, and that kind of people who always go to the gallery, it's their custom. I think they come. And only my friends. But friends is so only close friends came, I think, or so close or free from their any other works. Some of my friends are school teachers. School teachers is very busy. They sometimes have to go to school, workplace on Sunday, Saturday and Sunday weekend. They have to go sometimes and deal with some other their jobs, which is yeah. Anyway, they are very busy they are too busy to go my solo exhibition if I hold the solo exhibition. So, and some of my friends are living in Shunan City, from where it takes 1 hour, 70 minutes or something from the gallery. And some of my friends are in Tokyo, which is very difficult to come here to see my solo exhibition, to use airplane or bridge train. It takes 5 hours or 6 hours one way. Well, even if they use airplane, it takes 2 hours or something, and the cost is a lot. So it's very difficult to come. Nobody come here. Nobody come here from Tokyo. My old friends. And only come here, Yamaguchi Prefecture, come to here is two nice guys from Brisbane. I think they're some kind of crazy, but thank you, I appreciate. I'm really happy. I was really happy. Anyway, my conclusion to hold the exhibition is for at least how many people come is depend on how many friends the artist has, and their friends should live in there where there is gallery, and anyway, that just characteristics must be very attractive. People willing to go there, even if they don't like or don't interested in their artworks, the artist artworks, but their artist is if the artist is very attractive, they come. The better thing and the most ideal situation is the artworks is very good, sophisticated, as a lot of we have to admit that we have to admit the value of their artworks. That kind of artworks at a very high level, I think, and their artists characteristics is also very good, and people want to go to talk with their artists, and also their artworks is very attractive. It's a very good opportunity to see and to understand artworks. So it is an ideal thing. And also, I think I've already mentioned some kind of goods, products, and souvenir. Especially it is very difficult for me. I have a PhD degree of the fine art, and I tend to concentrate to make artwork, and so of course to create the exhibition for as an artwork, I think, and sometimes I think it is very so I don't think it's a very good thing. Sometimes, no offense, but I tend to think that the selling thing is not so suitable, not so suitable for real artists. It's like an kind of pride, but I think that pride is not so good for nowadays. It's a very old-fashioned, traditional thinking, and I felt, especially in this occasion, this exhibition, I think, and I said, a lot of friends, their friends, willing to buy something. But seems to be very happy to. There is something to buy, very not so expensive, just 200 yen or something. It's like a kind of just one cup of one cup of coffee. The same price, I think, like the same price as coffee at the cafe. I think it's cheaper than the cafe's coffee. So to sell and to buy postcards and some kind of good. So in this time, according to this experience, I'd like to make something. But of course, I'm not a real artist. I have applied. I've already. I said, it's in my case, no offense, but in my case, just selling the postcards, which is based on which is used with by the picture of the real paintings. I think I should create the postcards or something, other goods from the original design, not like just a copy of the real painting. And I have to. Yeah, I would like to make the next series as artworks. I have started to make artworks for their badges, which can sell 300 yen or something. 300 yen is for Australia there or something. For there or something. Yeah, it's not so expensive, I think, but the absolutely original design. And according to my plan, the series a lot of. I will make a lot of the designs for the air badges. 7. The first series is seven type of and I will make some kind of color variation. I will make, but 7 original base design, and the series is called. It will be called Living Shells, which is my artwork. According to aside from that, I sometimes make just one original painting and just original 3D sculpture works or something. But as a product design, but not only the design, it's artworks. Of course, I will make that, and I would like to show their works, living shells series of living shells, badges, and maybe the magnets. I will on the YouTube channel, and my goal is I would like to make the work very sophisticated, comparable to the it is impossible to it will be able to compete with their other artworks. It must be very sophisticated one. So I'd like to devote enough time to create that. My goal is September, the early September. Until early September, I will make the 7 designs, and I will show them on the internet, maybe YouTube channel. No, not this channel. This is not. I can't. In Speaking Tube Radio, in this episode, this episode will I show the artworks, the 7 living shells I mentioned. Here I will make the episode with the movie. So I hope you will be enjoyed that product introducing section. Okay, thank you for listening to Speaking Tube Radio. Have a nice day. Valete.